Here we have a problem on indices, that is we have to find the value of the numerical expression, and we have to check whether the value is a fraction or integer, or it is equal to 1 or none of the three options A, B and C. Okay, to know the value of the given expression, what we need to do is we have to simplify the given expression. When I look at the bases here, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, all of them are exponents of 2. Okay, so to simplify this expression, what I need to do is have to convert each base into exponent of 2. So we have nothing to do with the first term because already the base is 2. So we have to convert the other bases into exponents of 2. Okay, let's do it. So I write the first one as it is, that is 2 to the power of 1 by 2. I write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3 divided by 4 times 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 5 divided by 6, and 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 7 by 8 times 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 9 by 10 whole to the power of 4 again whole to the power of 3 divided by 25. Okay, now 2 to the power of 1 by 2 times 2 to the power of, we can multiply these two exponents, so we'll get 2 times 3 by 4, 2 to the power of 3 times 5 by 6, and here 2 to the power of, we can multiply these two exponents, that is 4 times 7 by 8, 2 to the power of, we can multiply these two exponents, we will be getting 5 times 9 by 10 whole to the power of 4 again whole to the power of 3 by 25. Okay, here 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. So we get 2 to the power of 1 by 2 times 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Here when I multiply 1 and 3, I will get 3, and there is denominator 2, and the same thing we can do for the other terms, and I get 2 to the power of 5 by 2, 2 to the power of 7 by 2, 2 to the power of 9 by 2 whole to the power of 4 again to the power of 3 by 25. Okay, let's continue on the next page. Here all the terms are multiplied and all the terms are having the same base. Whenever we multiply two or more terms with the same base, what we can do is we can take the base once and we can add all the exponents. So now here all the terms are multiplied with the same base 2, so we can take the base ones 2 and we can add all the exponents, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2 whole to the power of 4 again to the power of 3 divided by 25. Okay, here all these fractions are having the same denominator, so we can take the denominator in common, that is we can take the denominator once and add the numerators. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 whole divided by 2 to the power of 4 again to the power of 3 divided by 25. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 plus 9 is 25. So we get 2 to the power of 25 divided by 2 whole to the power of 4 again to the power of 3 divided by 25. Okay, here now we can multiply these two exponents, so we get 2 to the power of 25 divided by 2 times 4 whole to the power of 3 divided by 25. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 2 4 times. So 2 to the power of 25 times 2 is 50 whole to the power of 3 divided by 25. Okay, now we can multiply these two exponents. So we get 2 to the power of 50 times 3 divided by 25. 25 goes into 25 1 times, 25 goes into 50 2 times. So that is 2 to the power of 6, which is equal to 64. So the value of the given expression is 64. 64 is an integer, so the value of the given expression is an integer.